Hello students, I hope all of you have seen first part of chapter 6 and today I am starting the second part. Before starting 6b, let me explain some basic terms. Here, first term is adjacent angles. Suppose there are two angles BOC and AOC. These two angles will be termed as adjacent if they have the common vertex. Here vertex is O. They have one common arm. Here OC is the common arm. And their non-common arm OB and OA are non-common arms. These two arms are on the either side of the common arm. So as you can see, OB and OA are on the opposite side of OC. So the angle BOC and AOC, these angles are adjacent. The second term that you should know is linear pair angles. Suppose AOB and BOC are two adjacent angles. Then these adjacent angles will form linear pair if they are non-common arm. Here OA and OC are non-common arms. If these two arms are on the opposite side, here OA and OC are non-common arms. If these non-common arms are on the opposite side, then these angles form linear pair. And in case of linear pair, as you can see here, angles are AOB and another angle is BOC. Sum of these two angles will be always 180 degrees. Clear? So when it is linear pair, sum of the angle AOB and BOC, sum of these two will be 180 degree. I hope adjacent angles and linear pair, these two terms are now clear. Here we should know one property, that sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point is 180 degrees. Here suppose AB is a line and O is a point. So sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. Namely, we can say angle AOD plus angle DOC plus angle COB. Sum of these three will be always equals to 180 degree. Instead of 3, if there are 4 angles, then also it will be always 180. So sum of all the angles, whether it is 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, formed on the same side of a line, on the same side of the line, and at a given point, it must be 180 degree. Another property that we must know is that sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. Suppose O is a point, and here you can see 4 angles are there around O. So here angle AOB, second one is BOC plus COD plus DOA. Here 4 angles are there, and if I add these 4 angles, always it must be 360 degree. So sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. With this basic knowledge, now I can start sums of 6b. Now in question number 1 of 6b, it is given in the figure AOB is a straight line. So AOB is a straight line. Find the value of x. Here we can see 2 angles are there which form a linear pair, and we have to find the value of x. Since AOB is a straight line, so sum of the angles AOC and BOC, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree by linear pair. So we can write, since AOB is a straight line, therefore angle AOC plus BOC is 180 degree. As given in the question, angle AOC is 72 degree and BOC is x. So instead of AOC, we can write 72 degrees and angle BOC x equals to 180 degree. Therefore x equals to 180 degree minus 72. If I subtract 72 from 180, then I am going to get 108. Therefore required value of x is 108. In question number 2, it is given in the figure find x. Hence find angle BOD, COD and AOC. Here AOB is a line. Since AOB is a line and O is a point on it, and we know sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point is 180 degrees. So angle AOC plus angle COD plus angle BOD, sum of these 3 angles will be 180 degree. Now instead of AOC, we can write x plus 10. Instead of COD, we can write x. And instead of BOD, we can write x plus 20. And this is equals to 180. X plus x 2x. 2x plus x 3x. 3x plus 20 plus 10 30. So 3x plus 30 will be 180. So 3x equals to 180 minus 30. So x equals to 150 by 3 because 180 minus 30 will be 150. So x will be 150 divided by 3. That means 50 degree. Therefore, AOC, as it is given, AOC is x plus 10. So it will be 50 plus 10, 60 degree. Angle COD is given x. So COD will be 50 degree. And angle BOD, as in the question it is given x plus 20. So it will be 50 plus 20 and 50 plus 20 is 70. Therefore, required values of angle AOC, COD and BOD are 60 degree, 50 degree and 70 degree. In question number 3 it is given AOB is a straight line. We have to find the value of x first. Then we have to find angle AOC, then COD and BOD. Here AOB is a line and O is a point on it, and we know sum of all angles formed on the same side of a line at a given point is 180 degrees. So sum of these three angles will be 180. So we can write AOC plus COD plus DOB. Sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. Now AOC is 3x plus 7, COD is twice x minus 19 and BOD is x. Now we will replace angle AOC by 3x plus 7, COD by twice x minus 19 and BOD by x. Then we are going to get 3x plus 7 plus 2x minus 19 plus x equals to 180 degree. So 3x plus 2x plus x, it will be 6x minus 19 plus 7 minus 19 plus 7 will be minus 12 equals to 180. So 6x equals to 180 plus 12. 6x equals to 192. So x equals to 192 by 6. If I cancel, I will get 32. Therefore, x equal to 32 degrees. Now we have to find angle AOC, COD and BOD. Now AOC is given 3x plus 7. So we have to replace x by 32. So it will be 3 into 32 plus 7. 3 into 32, it will be 96. 96 plus 7, it will be 103. Again, angle COD is given twice x minus 19. So 2, instead of x, we are writing 32. 2x minus 19. 32 to the 64. 64 minus 19, it will be 45 degree. And angle BOD is x. Since x is 32, therefore angle BOD will be 32, which is the required answer. Now in question number 4, it is given in the figure x is to y is to z is given 5 is to 4 is to 6 and AOB is a straight line. We have to find the value of x, y and z. As in the question it is given the angles are in the ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 6. We can consider let x equals to 5a, y equals to 4a and z equal to 6a, where a is the common ratio. Now AOB is a straight line, and since it is a straight line and O is a point on it, and we know sum of all the angles formed on the same side of a line and at a point is always 180 degree. So x plus y plus z, sum of these three will be 180 degree. So we can write x plus y plus z equals to 180 degree. Now we have considered x to be 5a, y to be 4a and z to be 6a. Sum of 5a plus 4a plus 6a, it will be 180. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15a will be 180. So a will be 180 by 15 and 180 by 15 will be 12. So we got value of a to be 12. Here x is 5a. So 5 into 12. 5 into 12 will be 60 degree. Y is 4 into a. That means 4 into 12. 4 12 is 48 degree. And z is 6a. 6 into 12. That will give 72 degrees. So the values of x, y and z are 60 degree, 48 degree and 72 degree respectively. In question number 5 it is given in the figure what value of x will make x or y a straight line. For x or y to be a straight line, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So we can write x or z plus y or z. Sum of these two must be 180. Then only x or y will be a straight line. So we can write x or z plus z or y will be 180. As given in the question, x or z is 4x plus 20. So we can write 4x plus 20 plus, here it is 3x minus 36. So here instead of z or y, we can write 3x minus 36. This is equal to 180. Now 4x plus 3x is 7x. 20 minus 36, it will be minus 16 equal to 180 degree. So 7x will be 180 plus 16. 180 plus 16 will be 196. So x will be 196 by 7, that will give 28 degree. So if value of x is 28 degree, then x or y will be a straight line. In question number 6, it is given AOB is a line, and at point O, OC and OD are two rays, and these four angles are given 3x, 3x, 150 and x. We have to find the value of x. As we know, sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. Therefore 3x degree plus 3x degree plus x degree plus 150 degree will be equal to 360 degree, as it forms a complete angle. Now 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. 7x plus 150 will be 360. So 7x will be 360 minus 150. So 7x will be 360 minus 150, which will give 210. Therefore x equals to 210 divided by 7, and 210 by 7 is 30 degree. Therefore x equals to 30 degree. In question number 7, it is given XOY is a line and OZ is a ray at O. We have to find the value of x. Since XOZ and ZOY, these two form a linear pair, so sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So we can write XOZ plus ZOY equal to 180 degree. So 60 plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So twice x equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which will give 120 degree. Since twice x is 120 degrees, so x equal to 120 by 2. That means x equal to 60 degree, which is the required value of x. In question number 9, it is given two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. Here angle AOC is 50 degree. We have to find angle AOD, BOD and angle BOC. Here AOB is a line. Therefore angle AOC plus angle BOC, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. We can write here linear pair. Linear pair. Now angle AOC, as given in the question, it is 50 degree plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. So angle BOC equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree, and this will give 130 degree. Therefore angle BOC, this angle is of measure 130 degree. Now this one and this one, that is BOC and AOD, these two are vertically opposite angle. So if this one is 130 degree, this also will be 130. So now we can write angle AOD equal to angle BOC. In the bracket you can write vertically opposite angles. Therefore angle AOD equals to, now BOC we know it is 130, so this also will be 130. Again angle BOD equals to angle AOC. You can write here again BOD, these two angles are vertical opposite angles. Since it is 50, this also will be 50, so we can write here vertically opposite angles. Therefore angle BOD also will be 50 degree. So we got BOC 130 degree, AOD 130 degree and angle BOD 50 degree, which are required answers. In question number 10, it is given lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. It is given angle BOC and angle AOD. Sum of these two angles will be 260, and we have to find all the angles of this figure. Here angle BOC and angle AOD, these two angles will be equal because these two are vertically opposite angle, and we know vertically opposite angles are always equal. So BOC equal to AOD, vertically opposite angles. Now in the question it is given AOD plus BOC is 260. Since these two are equal, so we can write twice BOC is 260. Therefore BOC equal to 260 divided by 2, which will give 130. Since BOC and angle AOD, these two are equal, angle AOD also will be 130. Now AOB is a line. Since AOB is a line, so AOC plus BOC, sum of these two will be 180 degree. Now AOC we don't know, BOC already we got 130 degree equals to 180. So AOC will be 180 minus 130. So AOC will be 180 minus 130, 50 degree. And since AOC and BOD, these two are vertically opposite angles, so since AOC is 50 degree, angle BOD also will be 50 degree. So these are the required angles. So angle BOC 130, angle AOD 130, angle AOC 50 and angle BOD 50. These are the required angles. Now question number 11, you can try it yourself. Let me show question number 12. Here it is given rays AB and CD intersected each other at O. We have to find Y when X equal to 50 degree and we have to find X when Y equal to 60 degree. Since AOB is a line, so twice X plus Y will be 180 degree. Twice X plus Y will be 180 degree. In the bracket you should write linear pair. Now in the first part it is given X is 50 degree. So 2 into 50 plus Y will be 180. So Y equals to 180 minus 100 because 50 into 200. 100 when transferred in the other side it will become minus 100. So Y equals to 180 minus 100, it will be 80 degree. In the second part it is given that Y equal to 60 degree. Again in the same equation, if I replace Y by 60, then it will be twice X plus 60 equal to 180. So twice X equal to 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 will be 120 degree. So X equals to 120 by 2 and 120 by 2 will be 60. So in the first case Y will be 80 degree and in the second case X will be 60 degree. In question number 13 it is given lines AB and line CD intersect each other at O. Angle AOC, this angle, plus BOE, this angle, sum of these two angles equal to 70. Angle BOD, this angle is 40 degree. We have to find the angle BOE. BOE, we have to calculate this angle and angle COE. COE. These two angles we have to find. Here angle AOC and angle BOD, these two are vertical opposite angles. So since this is 40 degree, this also will be 40 degree. So we can write angle AOC equals to BOD, vertical opposite angles. Angle BOD is 40 degree, therefore angle AOC also 40 degree. So in the first step we got this is 40, so this angle also equal to 40. Now sum of this angle plus this angle, sum of these two, it is given 70 degree. And this angle we know it is 40 degree. So we can write angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 and we know AOC equals to 40 degree. So 40 degree plus BOE will be 70 degree. So angle BOE will be 30 degree. 70 minus 40, it will be 30. Again angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE, sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. As we know, sum of all the angles formed on the same side of a line and at a given point is 180 degree. Now AOC we know 40, COE we don't know, and angle BOE is 30, is 180. So COE plus 40 plus 30, 70 equals to 180. So COE will be 180 minus 70 and 180 minus 70 will be 110. Therefore BOE is 30 degree and angle COE will be 110 degree. These are the required answers. In question number 14 it is given three coplanar lines AB, CD and EF intersected each other at O and they form these angles X, Y, Z, T, 40 and 90. We have to find these four unknown angles. Here this angle is 90 degree and the vertically opposite angle is Z. We know vertically opposite angles are equal. Since this is 90, Z also will be 90. So we can write Z equal to 90 degree, vertically opposite angles. So we got Z. Again Y and 40 degree, these two are vertically opposite angle. Since this part is 40, so Y must be 40. So we can write Y equals to 40 degree, same region, vertically opposite angles. Now since AOB is a line, so X plus Y plus Z, sum of these three must be 180 degree. So we can write X plus Y plus Z equals to 180 degree. Now we can replace Z by 90 degree and Y by 40 degree. So we will get X plus 40 plus 90. We have replaced Y by 40 degree and Z by 90 degree. And this is equals to 180 degree. So 90 plus 40 will be 130. This 130 I can transfer in the other side. So x will be 180 minus 130. So x equal to 50 degree. Again, x and t are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Therefore, t equal to x. That means t equals to 50 degree. Question number 15 is the last sum from this exercise. This sum is not so important for exam purpose. Still, you can try it yourself. As this is the last sum from this exercise, so that's all for today. In the next video, I'm going to start sums of 6C. Till then, bye bye, take care, and wait for the next part.